I went yard selling this morning and it was pouring rain. All the yard sales were closed. I only found 2. And so I'm gonna show you what I found. There was some really cool stuff. I can't believe I found this much stuff out of 2 for this little money and the quality of things. Really excited, let's jump in. First things first, I got a bunch of Blu-rays and some games. Now, I learned a valuable lesson. It's cool to have Blu-rays, but I looked all of these up. They're really not worth much, maybe $5. Probably do like a lot or something. The other thing that I was really excited about was this game, Xbox 360. Let's see what's inside. Call of Duty, Black Ops, bummer. My kids actually love Minecraft, and this lady actually sold me an Xbox for 10 bucks. As I was opening some of the games, I even found some Nintendo DS games that were really, really awesome. I opened up the package, totally missing. Her son had taken all the games out. So good to know, I learned that lesson. I'm glad I didn't come home with even more empty cases or mismatched cases, but that was pretty cool. Picked up this game here, it was just totally random. It was in the stack, PS4 Life is Strange. Have no idea what this is. It was 20 bucks. So super excited, it's selling for about 20. So all those, I was in about $5 for all those Blu-rays and games. Might let my son list those, have some fun with that, or sell them as a lot. Today I also picked up some snowboard gloves. These are Oakley's. The only problem is they're extra small, but the leather is super intact. I looked these up and they're going for about 40, 50 bucks. I think they'll probably sell for 20 because they're an extra small. So really odd size there. Pretty cool, kind of a nice find for $2. One of my favorite items that I found today was the Stranger Things. It's a DVD set and it looks like a VHS. They did a really good job with the branding here and I was really excited. But yeah, open it up and it's all there. The thing that I'm laughing so much about it is this little sticker here. I thought it was a sticker that the owner had put on for $3. The branding of this is so well done. They put a garage sale sticker on it. I was so just like taken back. Not going for a lot, it's only worth about $5. So I'm giving it to my daughter. Season 2 though, watch out for that one. That one's going for like 50, 60 bucks on eBay. Super fun find, it just made me smile and I had to get it. The other thing I grabbed was this Columbia jacket. This is an extra small rain jacket. Paid 10 bucks for it. It's in really good condition and my daughter is missing a rain jacket. And so again, normally I'm not buying stuff to keep it, but it was such a good deal and my daughter needed one and she keeps stealing my wife's. So yeah, this was a good find too. At that yard sale, I picked this out of the free bin. This is a CD player for a Mini Cooper. I looked up the model name. There was one sold the other day for 200 bucks. Another one sold for 149 and about 3 or 4 sold for 49. So the ratio of what's listed and what's been sold is really strong. So if you've got one of these, it's gonna sell. Worst case, 50 bucks, best case, 200. So we'll see what happens. With the Xbox came a wireless controller and a charging pad. This combo goes for about 25 bucks, not bad. If I can find a charging cord for the Xbox, I think the whole thing will go for about 60 or 80. We'll see what happens. Hopefully I can make that work, but not a bad buy there. So this behind me is our K2 satellite snowboard. Cool thing about this is it's got the fishtail. It's a directional board. If you know outdoors and you know what you're buying, I'm pretty familiar with skis and snowboards. The top sheet is a little banged up, but the bottom, after a wax and a tune, which I know how to do, this thing will be really strong. So I paid 10 bucks for this, probably sell it for about 100, maybe 120. Hopefully we'll do it locally. So we'll see, kind of a fun find. Also found these boots. These are women's, really nice ski boots, super comfortable, 10 bucks. No one fits it in my family, so I'm gonna sell them. They're going for about 50 or 60 bucks. So not bad, and ski season is coming. So this was a really good find. At that same sale, I got these ski boots and they actually fit my son perfectly. He grew out of his old ones. This worked out super nice. These go for about 50 or 60 bucks as well. I paid 10. My son's gonna use them. This saves me going from the ski swap and messing around buying new. And he's gonna grow out of them in 5 minutes anyway, so it's all good. We're gonna move on to some jackets that I got today. So some pretty cool stuff. This is an Oakley jacket. The thing I like about it is the size. It's a size large, it's big, it's really good condition. I think I found a model number dating it back to 2014, but for the age, it's really strong. So I paid 10 bucks for this, probably get 80 out of it, maybe 60. So nice little flip there. Another ski jacket that I found. This is a women's Scott jacket. Kind of a nice little logo there. I saw this from a long ways away and I knew it was quality stuff. So Scott, really cool brand. And she charged me $5 for this jacket. And I can tell it's barely been worn. There's no scuff marks, there's nothing. She said she wore it once and it just didn't really fit her. Really cool. I think it'll probably go for about 60 to 80 bucks. Yeah, brand new is probably 159, maybe 200. So nice find there for $5. This was the jacket I'm probably most excited about. It's a women's North Face down jacket. Kind of a cool green color, Summit series. I saw this from a mile away. I was blown away. And especially with the condition, everything is super nice on it. You can still see kind of the new crease in it if you look. Yeah, I paid $3 for this, which is crazy. It sells $199 new. Probably sell it for 80 to 100 is kind of what they're going for. So really excited. And the size is a small, so it's a good size that I think is pretty popular. This was a funny find. I walked past it at first, kind of wrote it off. It's this super old Panasonic massager, but it came with the box. It actually has the manuals and everything. I left, I drove away, and then I stopped, pulled over, and I eBayed it, and I looked it up, and this thing is going for $40 to $60. And I think with the original box, it's actually gonna more on that 60 end. So I went back and I was like, hey, can I buy the massager? It was a little awkward. $3. So it's pretty cool. Nice little flip there. So these were some funny items in a free box. Little pineapple here is like nice hardwood with a pineapple shirt. The lady loved pineapples. My wife loves pineapples. I'm just passing these along to my wife. It was super random, but yeah, super funny. So my daughter and my wife can fight over this shirt. And this is gonna go on our new library bookshelf that I'm building. So these were also kind of cool. Not really for flipping, but we're doing some redecorating right now. And so I picked these up for $3 each. We're gonna see if they can fit on this new shelf we're building, maybe if it gets approved. And then this I thought would be fun for my son's room or my office. So yeah, just kind of random. I generally don't buy stuff to keep it. I'm always flipping stuff. Yeah, they just kind of stuck out to me. I was like, yeah, these are really cool. So that's all the items. So all in, I paid $83 and I comped everything out. I looked up everything. I'm trying to be conservative, but it looks like it's gonna end up for over $900 of what gross sales would be. So pretty insane morning, only went to 2 yard sales. Everything was super quiet. Competition was very low. Really fun morning. I'm really glad for the rain. It really was easy to get a lot of good stuff. That was my morning yard selling. This has been fun. You've enjoyed it. Click like, subscribe. Join me for more. If you have any questions about flipping or reselling, comment below. This is something I do actually quite often. I don't talk about it on the channel a lot, but probably will do a little bit more. Thanks for watching.